Kikubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kashnong Nongmensong kabahai kisnem baladep kahap hapo ka Census town. Hanrei menta ka kanti kala laj bat kilayo ban pentrai kamno yaki project bat kiskim langba ka Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act lane ka MGNREGA. Kador bar shnong Nongmensong kala thaw yak Village Employment Council lani ka VEC mat langba ka VEC kan pentrai kamno ik project ban kendiu ya ka roi ka par hapo kasnong ka thaw langba ka maupat CNRD block hadu menta kidon palat news pa teli ki longyeng ki bala penrung kerteng ban yo belasngi na kane ka schem habakren ha ka sngi ba pli ya ka schem u MLA ka penthor umkra u ba EL hek ulai tu banadu basdang ban mi khmat ya ka penthor umkra kum u MLA walaya kendu bun kijinge ban kentiu ya roi kapar tang nakas kem MLA Henry Day House nam arhajar khatlai balawan kijing phia ya ki constituency bala penrung no ya ka penthor umkra kum ko constituency nong kendong lani ka rural constituency ha kane ka sngi pli ya kane ka skem shispa sngi laidon rangkat ru urang ba shnong uba b khongla usketri shnong uba e nongdhar kinongelam shnong Kidkot jongka VEC Nongmensong ki officer na kamau plat CNRD block ka BDO jong kamau pot block ka kong MS CR lembat kiwei
Pat kumpiyo na kanyang soka na kanyang office ng block i dapat na jis ngungo kung pasno na marang kalawan kanyang ski na pangiyatan na po kaniga hall bansakhi ya kata kajingwan ra ay kajing kala
As the scheme is for the public, of the public, by the public, for the public. So any scheme that the job card holders demand, we are bound to give. This scheme comes from the grassroots level. What you ask, we give that. So this is totally in your hands. Implementation is in the hands of the VEC. So my request here is that the VEC has to be very vigilant. You have to take all the job card holders on board with you. If somebody disagrees with you, that will be a problem for you in future because allegations will come. Allegations may be true, may not be true, but once allegation comes, everyone looks at us with doubt. So I'll give one example. One VEC is there at present who there is an allegation with in some other locality. They have to give a refund of 16 lakh rupees. That is not easy for a VEC to pay back. It may be their fault, it may not be their fault, but that is why we need you to work in close contact with us, with our engineers. Omar is the technical assistant in charge from measurement to GIS. Now with geotagging, we cannot avoid anything. Whatever you create will be geotagged and will be shown. Anyone who clicks a button can see your work, what you have done. So there is no scope of hiding, no scope of concealing anything. Everything is open for the public. So please have faith in us. When we advise you, we are telling you in good faith to save you and to save us. And we assure you that any problem that you have, we are together. We will work together. We want to see development. I agree and I appreciate the Rambashnong raising the point of Swachh Bharat. That is the need of the hour. Nongmensong, everyone knows. We don't need to say the condition of Nongmensong. Okay, development works. Till now, we couldn't help because we didn't have much schemes. MLA scheme is not enough to cover the whole constituency, but cleanliness is in our hands. So in this regard, I will request the cooperation of the VEC and the Dorbashnong to help us making Nongmensong one of the cleanest localities as much as we can, especially the marketplace. My request that we have to do something. It is on us, it is our responsibility. Unless we do, we cannot expect change. So change will come from us. And sir, on record, sir, we are always there to support you, to help and implementing the scheme in the true spirit. Thank you.
Aku beri kita kam juga senang baru benar kalau ni kerana badom, kita kam juga senang. Aku beri kita baru kita sengit teh kerana nak ni long kami. Tapi baru iwe benar kalau ni. Dapat berbau iwe clear. Ke history berkumnong iyo. Ya ketika menari GS scheme hangi apa nama sok. Ke pentorom kena constituency. Nadu balong GM beriat menjual MLA. Yang scheme semangat nadu 1998 2003 and 2008 kani ke Pentorong Krak constituency kani ke semi-urban constituency. The semi-urban constituency kabagi lalu-lalu ru kinumla banyo yang kani ke MNRE GS scheme. Arajar khalai lawan ke delimitations bala deliminate iaga constituency baru hapo ke Meghalaya. Hak ta bor ke bala yo iaga delimitation the Pentorong Krak constituency it has written a rural constituency. Kata the secrecy iaga achievement kumnongi yo ya kani ga scheme. Kenai pra arajar pra kebangangan long MLA long minister ke por kini ke hab hapo ke Pentorong Krak konstitusi pra kawai ke hab hapo ke Census town hak juga por kini ke semi urban. Yalah yo scheme nak urban iba pemula nak percaya mene bagi dulu hak Islam hak ke scheme tu Islam lu juga urban layo aja bentoy. Kat tu kan ni nak benda kita bentoy juga development juga Islam. Tiap maybe ada delimitations. Arajar khalai straight ke bayin juga. I'm also sure by wisdom. Longga and make it materialized become rural constituency. Dan argumen juga baru KBB bolong direktor juga sinadi nataki board gitu board mak juga melak benai ini mengenai Census town. You see the keneka notification juga election commission bahwa Pentorong Krak konstitusi is a rural constituency. Ya straight entah. Apa kita di rural constituency why we are not entitled for the MNRE GSP? Buat bak argumen kita percaya bagi is a Census town. It's a semi-urban. No, very wrong. It's not a semi-urban anymore. It was before. Today is a rural constituency. Pentorong Krak 14, macam 18 Pentorong Krak maybe semi-urban, but today 14 Pentorong Krak is a rural constituency. I really strike my mind, but how I use my wisdom. Let's say Delhi, argument bagi the Delhi government of India, but it is a rural constituency. It is not the urban constituency. They hantar ke bagi berwarna. Yang kini kesina di blok jauh mopat, hanya Pentorong Krak jumi, ilana pun warasi bor bahagi skin, kibedai nak bentak bentoy, kamda baik apa por, bagai strike rural constituency, the Nongmensong it first registered in my mind. The Nongmensong kan register di kau nomor padang bor sebab development, kibedon kaman ai nak bentak Nongmensong. First, masuk orang pada rural constituency. I just registered Hakani Jimmy juga, but Nongmensong should be taxed to be enjoyed with this other facilities which is given by the government of India. They not tahu. Ya simti kene bagan lek sedeli da bonsin belum video. Ya simti kene kumno ban khot yang meeting juga sedari di parlimen, but kumno ban interpret ya kata kajing ong bagan dengan rural constituency. Ya simti kene kabu. Tikado dari kita namkan masuk 13 or 14 we have seen di block 4 14 maybe or 15 or 17. Then after fighting waiting layo ban inaugurate layo ay block yor ban inaugurate ang stem arajar khanyo but arajar khanyo khatra kanda po kambopa menta dengan ay scheme SRWP yung bahet nginun kam show kamili scheme kani kamili scheme jompi supentian olibi deki pos elektrik. Aduh kata la fernai kemumpat srum nomor baga skim la pun bala dan ba kejingan jong ni kesena di blok hang juga por kejinyo yang kedi kai menari GS scheme. So really blessing kejing kerku ko krawa nak benda kejingan jong ni scheme. Tinggal i yongru ni so kedi kejing sarong ko krawa yang ni baru ko minum Shitom jong Nongmensong. Bagaimana yo ni skim kam kut tang jing snai ni footpath dan kam kut tang jing snai ni nana what harian hambut pelak yo ke PMAY Prime Minister Awas Yojana yang ni water resource baru ki bale nang pedaman kumno ban prisoner yang kini water source baru benar gisilian kini umpali benar bila lah benar dengan scheme dan don kanu keduru kaba don kejing boli scheme ki bagi lah bersedai kejingking lah bersedai putpat lah bersedai nalai lah bersedai water protect jaga sajan jaga dikatai baru ki scheme ini don under the sun and the sundry they are all the scheme available under the MRRGS under the sun and sundry ki don scheme baru jadi kita tahu ingin kumpul iba thongna Nongmensong ini blog video baga BC kadang dikejat kawai jail kawai poka Nongmensong menterikan. Jadi kalau tahu bagi Trei kedi belum berpian atau Shitom nomor baga dia GPS benar. Lingba GPS just a button, press the button bila menyui bahang tu bagi Trei kam kepada Nongmensong menterikan.
Insyaallah.
Thank you.
Mau ada Nongmensong jungi ngelayo launch lo ya kani ka MNRGS scheme dan bonda baru kidon kam development hapo Nongmensong rekat badi video rekat ru badi ramba Shitom jungi bedan lam ni buat chairman tik
Aba kembang itib ba mata ka de kasin ka banakong ba ka Nongmensong kan yo man Trei ya kani ka skim shispa singi ka ikajing singo jupi hadim ba Pyllait yo padiang ya kani ka
berengkong ni ngasuban ai ngu yu blai no bu no thau yingi wala bu yingi kan ni jaka ban kumta kum gi no song shnong ngi sngo ngi dap ri kumen ka bakrau ka badak ri kumen khamtam jaka sarkar ba kala ibit ban ai yingi ya kan ke skim ban pediang yangi ban penrung ha ka skim jong ka sispa singi hoi ka jingal ti jongi kala slam ka jing trang jong ka snong baro ai kawai namang ke dang long ki snong ki padang sadin dang bun ki kam ki jam ki padang sadin jong ka development de lang ba ka ne ka skim abang ilayo pediang menta ka singi kalong sisa ka long ka jing kan ka bakrau na mata ka snong isko ban ai ku blai ka sarkar ki nomok kimat bat ya ki badai khmi yingi kum ka blok Kabadan hapa mopat video pada kami baterai hangtu kila ikit kia banwan ban yarap yangi ban ai ki awareness program hakabai dei bat kini ki jingtrai khamtam ngidang long ki banang sedang hakane kasnem ka pemerintah bangi layo hapadang kane ki jing bangi yai enti hakane ki jing pang ki sistem nom tau klam covid ki hapadang ki nyobna ngi layo kato kane sibun ki awareness program bangi layo ban pelong ban pesutu ya ki nong jongi bangi layo ru ban register ya ki job card apa kasnong jungi berkumta ka sengi ngisngo mana ku blai sen ya I ba elhek I bolong I MLA I lokal MLA jungi ino hikmat jungi I bala yela Shitom ban penyo jungi ya kene ka skim lang ba ka jing Shitom jungi ban ka sarkar ru kala pediang ban menta ka sengi la yo ru bagi walk order santeli bat kumjo ban ngilala ban wante ya ka kum kadak ka jing sedang ya ka jing Trei ha kene ka dong kamon akan dekat sulok bagi senai ka sulok jai kali lang ba kan dekat skim tengi kermen bau bulan pesaj bor yangi barak khamtam ya ki nongkit kam jong ka BC ki nong Trei bat ki job card holder bagi la ban Trei hok ya kan kam ban pendep kat kum kapor bagi kermen
Apo Nongmensong kan nungut ki don ki ba ki job card
holder ki job card holder hadok menta ki ba bedon kerteng ki lapau hadok praspa duna yang menta
kembang itib ba mensua kan Nongmensong ka hap po ka Census town te hadin kan osnem ba pi ha ka jigele jong pi ba pi pila la ban yo ya kini ka skim
hadin kumban josnem kaji kelado kutu bala laslam hi jing terang jungi laduk islam ki bala syakmat arhajar lai arhajar sa untuk terter ngidang yo semua bangidon hapo kata ka Census mo bagi ong te hapo urban kumta terter ndai hadin ngitip ba ka sarkar kala tip yang ini kila pentip yang ikum bagi long ki rular mo ki long gendang hap apa kanong kendong dan nak kata kadau ngi don kam ban lek sarkar ban pentip habangi ngidang long sekinong kendong nang long ketain nong kendong habagi kam jungi kidang sadin kidang bon ba sadin dan nak kata kadau ngidai banyo ngidai hok banyo ya kan skim tikumta ha jing pe jing khmi ke sarkar kala ibit ibyang ban ai yang ini akan dekas hari kepor ke pemerintah khamtam mentah sni ukhatnyo torik ubnai bakhat wei jong arhajar arpau
di hagapor ba pipi dang don hapo ka census town ki ki jing ya ki ba pipi yo kam tam ka leng ka development
Kalian ke development yo bagi don malu melakum tai skim iwe ari nala iba yo untuk ndai amsam ladon he badang bon badang sadeng ki footpath ki dang bon surok ki kali ki dang bon nang ta ski o kumba pen pha pen miat ya ki sing om iwa nama hangi hang ne sno jengi ki dang bon ki sing om ki bangi ngi perlong ya ka umbam umdi kam tam makan ka juk mamta ka jeng kerduk jeng ka umbam umdi haduk mentar ngimpat yo kata umbam umdi ka baman lah ka sengi dan kata kadau gitu ni don kam he ban yo ka skim ban yo ban sna pan pha ya ki tolong ya ki sing kenang ba kan yo kan man ra ki muto ya ki nong song
Daga segi ga kanyo turik November arpo jadi jingsa jingkan mau yang bagi launching and laying foundation stone nagan daga MNREG scheme narega scheme ang ni hapo kanega snong Nongmensong publish gur ya betul Kita kamar kurni banyak mah.